Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Docker engine installed, CLI accessible, and network connectivity. Next, pull or build an image immediately so you can iterate. Run docker pull image name or docker build team image. Once done, list images with Docker images to verify. Make sure to log into Docker Hub for private repos. If you built from a Docker file, tag the image clearly. This helps when you run containers or push to a registry. Now you execute and configure the container. Run Docker run with flags for name, ports, and volumes so services are reachable and data persists. Once running, use Docker PS to inspect status and Docker logs mictor to view output. This shows why things start or fail. Make sure to map ports correctly and adjust environment variables to match runtime needs. If you need a shell, run docker execute mictor/bin/sh or /bin/bash to debug interactively. To finish, save and share your work. Commit or rebuild images, tag them clearly, and push to a registry so others can pull. Once pushed, deploy with the same run flags documented. If something goes wrong, check Docker logs for error details and Docker inspect for configuration. Note the container exit code to narrow causes. As a key troubleshooting tip, rerun the container interactively and reproduce the error step by step. This isolates missing files, permission issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.